Hello everyone, Multi-One here, and I got another package in the mail, and as you can see, I kind of ripped it open so I could save time, just get it out, so I'm just going to go ahead and hold on a second, just rip this open real quick. Get it out. Quickly. Okay, alright, so what we have inside, and you had to get another Criterion collection Blu-ray. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Okay, let's just see. There's nothing else in here. So this is Nashville, and it's as you can see, it's a Robert Altman film, and it is 1975. And I haven't seen this. I heard it's really good though. So we'll get to that in a minute. So here's the back of it, and here's like all the special features and stuff that it comes with, or that's in it, you know, all that good stuff. And it's 160 minutes, 1975. And as you can see, the film is rated R, Paramount Pictures. So go ahead and open this up. So inside here, this little will happen. I really like this art. I think it's really unique. So just open this up and get this little booklet. Just kind of skim through it. So, yeah, that's a nice picture. So, yeah, I mean, I'm not going to read all that, but here are the discs. This is the Blu-ray of Nashville, and this is the DVD of Nashville, and this is, I believe, let's see what this is. This is the supplements DVD, or the special features. So you get 3 discs, 2 DVDs, 1 Blu-ray, and the 2 DVDs, and you know, the film on DVD, and you get the supplements on DVD, and you get the whole supplements and film on Blu-ray. So yeah, so just hang on a second, put this back in, make sure to snap that out. I wouldn't break it. I feel like I'm gonna break this thing. Okay, so let me put this back in. Okay. Yeah, I really hate these. They always like feel like they're gonna break, so I'll put this back in here. And so that's pretty much it, to say the least. Okay, so there you go. Oh, I'm gonna show the spine real quick. Nashville. So, oh, what the heck? Oh, it's kind of dirty. You know, it's weird. It's got my fingers kind of. So, there's the other side of the spine, and the other spine of it. So, and it's number 683, I think. So, yeah. All right. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching this quick little video, and thanks for watching, and bye.